Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart OnePlus Nord CE 5. Alright, so let's begin. We have 2 methods how we can restart this device and let me show you both of them. So the first and the most common method is a simple reboot using the power menu. This method is recommended when we have access to the phone, when the phone works normally and basically when it's responsive. So to do it, we need to open up the power menu first. We need to click the power button and volume up button at the same time to launch the power menu, just like that. And now we need to drag this white ball into the restart. Now when I'll release my finger, our device will be turned off, then it will be turned on again automatically, and after a few seconds it will be ready to use. But we have the second method called the forced restart, and this method is recommended, for example, when the phone is locked, basically when it's unresponsive and when we cannot perform a reboot from the power menu. To force restart this device, we need to use the 2-button combination. We need to hold the power button and volume up button for a few seconds until our device is completely turned off. So let's hold both of those buttons and we need to keep holding. Okay. And when the phone vibrates and when it shows the logo, just like that, now our device will be turned on within a second and it also be ready to use. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.